Powerbase is a leading Hong Kong IT player that specializes in co-location, hosting and data center services. Our global award-winning capability is the envy of the industry in terms of e-business infrastructure and planning expertise, as well as building and running top-notch data centers. We hold more than 20 years' experience in data center services and run multiple facilities across Hong Kong, with yet more under construction. Such a growing presence underscores our ability to help organizations succeed. Our new data center in Kwai Chung was designed to the TIA 942 standard and exemplifies the attention to detail approach and wealth of experience that has raised the bar in this crucial area of the IT industry. Our choice of location benefits from easy access, thanks to 2 MTR stations close by, with no proximity to potential hazards, flooding areas or landslide threats. Designed to exceed Tier 3 requirements, Powerbase facilities have been certified by the Uptime Institute in terms of both Tier 3 design and construction. What's more, our Tier 3+ facilities have been exceeding Tier 4 availability of 99.995% for more than 10 years for environment-friendly design, as a result of our know-how and ISO 20000 methodologies. In line with industry best practice, MCX 10 is accredited with ISO 27001, ISO 14001 and ISO 9001 plus LEED Platinum certification. Powerbase is a carrier-neutral data center service provider, so customers enjoy the luxury of choice, as well as network redundancy supported by dual network paths. Interconnection and cross-border network connectivity is available to meet the business requirements of international organizations. This supports redundancy and diversity for both network and multiple carrier connectivity into our facilities. Currently, the total data center area covers more than 200,000 square feet throughout 11 floors, and the area is expandable within the same building, with more than 18,000 square feet per floor, enabling us to meet differing layout needs, such as customized cage or private room setups. This helps when allocating resources across floors to satisfy unique customer requirements. In the interests of security and efficiency, most of our computer room air conditioning CRAC units are located in secure corridors separated from data halls. Our 2N configured power supply meets Tier 3+ carrier class data center standards, such that all supply components including transformers, generators and UPS are 100% redundant, and all connections have dual paths. The power supply is supported by reliable and resilient UPS systems, backed up by generators equipped with high-volume fuel tanks continuously refilled by oil companies. This configuration prevents power outage as a result of any unforeseen occurrence. Water-cooled chiller plants are configured with dual headers. Dual chilled water and condenser water pumps with independent valve controls keep plants running separately and provide a reliable solution in the event of mechanical or electrical hitches. All CRAC units are configured with ambient temperature maintained at 22 ± 2 Celsius and relative humidity kept at 55% ± 10%. Installation of CRAC units and chillers followed N+1 configuration, providing redundancy of 30% and 40% respectively, supported by 24-hour water storage. Cooling system power supply is supported by dual transformers and generators to prevent interruption. A sophisticated building management system, BMS, detects abnormal conditions such as power outage, water leakage, smoke, fire, and so on. Our data center is also fully equipped with security measures and multi-level physical security checkpoints and barriers. An 8-tier security system protects the entire facility 24/7, with security officers on every floor, complemented by monitoring from a dual CCTV surveillance system and network video recorder. Our zero-tolerance approach to security is also served by a strict registration system in the reception area, along with restricted use of lifts, controls in the lobby and every corridor, and a man-trap in the data hall, plus cage and rack locks. In fact, our ISO 27001 certified protection system ensures that all components work tightly together to achieve the highest possible security measures and procedures. Implementation was managed and performed by the strongest possible team of specialists in construction, E&M, facilities management, IT service management, ITIL, telecommunications, security, data center management, and project management. The MCX-10 is yet another example of IT industry excellence from Powerbase and PCCW solutions. Total outsourcing and fully rounded solutions are the result of outstanding facilities and dedicated professionals, plus operational as well as management best practice. All this makes Powerbase the partner of choice when it comes to designing, building and running e-business infrastructure.